It is with great pleasure that we welcome you all for the graduation ceremony of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society. Considering the pandemic situation, please wear the mask, keep social distance, and sanitize your hands regularly. I request you to kindly stand up for Vidyapit Geet.
नित्यं हि विद्याचिन्तनम् नित्यं च विद्यामन्थनम् नित्यं हि विद्यासर्जनम् नित्यं च विद्याजीवनम्
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may please be seated. Honorable Secretary, Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society will request the Honorable President to declare the Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's graduation ceremony open.
Honorable President, sir, I request you to declare the Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's graduation ceremony 2020 open.
I hereby declare the graduation ceremony open.
May I request the Honorable President, sir, to bless and advise the graduates.
Now that the degrees are confirmed, as the President of the Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Amravati, befitting the occasion, my advice to you shall be, always speak the truth, do your duty faithfully, do such readings as will lead to the elevation of the soul. Never deviate from your duties. Always think of the welfare and the elevation of the self, nation, and the entire humanity. Study such literature as will inspire you and transmit it to others. Regard your mother, father, teacher, and nation as God. Follow only such acts as are free from evils and imitate good conduct. Accept only the best. This is the teaching message and advice. Dear graduates, let me trust that you will enshrine the advice in your mind and act always accordingly.
All the graduates shall say, "We accept this grace," and sit. I request the Honorable Secretary, Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Shri Yuvraj Singh Ji Chaudhary, for the welcome and introductory address.
Honorable President of today's function, Vice President, Treasurer, Executive Members of VYWS, Principals of various colleges, faculties, supporting staff, and my dear students. Indeed, it's a great honor for me to be a part of this virtual VYWS graduation ceremony 2020. We have been celebrating this event with vigor in the past, as this event is one of the important and memorable event in the life of graduating students. This event is to appreciate the efforts of each of the graduating students and their parents, guardians, their teachers, and everyone who have contributed to the success of students directly or indirectly. Last year, we saw unprecedented situation due to COVID-19 pandemic that did not allow us to celebrate this event with the same vigor with physical presence of the students and all other concerned. But thanks to the technology, we can now meet online with the comfort of home environment anywhere across the global. The same technology enables us to effectively continue the teaching learning process through digital platform like WebEx, Zoom, Google Meet. We have spent a good fortune to acquire licensed version of WebEx platform at society level in the best interest of the students. I am sure by this initiative of VYWS, each student could successfully overcome the pandemic hurdle coming in their way towards graduation. I am pleased to inform you that the students are excelling not only in the field of education but also in extracurriculum activities like sports, debates, etc. Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society has been successful in serving the country by providing trained manpower through engineering colleges, dental college, pharmacy colleges, as well as arts and commerce college, with total 1,799 graduates, 364 postgraduates, and 116 diplomas in pharmaceutical science. 7 students have been honored with gold medal, and 54 students are placed in merit list by Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. 23 color codes earned by students reflects the efforts of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society towards development of overall personality of the students. I am very pleased to mention here that through the research laboratories recognized by Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, this year total 10 research scholars earned the PhD. With this highlights, on behalf of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, I congratulate all the students for their commendable efforts to excel in the field of their studies in spite of prevailing pandemic situation. I wish every student a very bright and successful career ahead. All the best. With this word, I conclude my address. Thank you. Thank you all.
Now, the Honorable Secretary will request the Honorable President's permission to present the college reports and appreciate the graduates.
Sir, may I request you to grant the permission to present the college report?
In my capacity as the president of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, I hereby grant the request.
Professor Ram Meghe, Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera. Vidarbha Youth Welfare Societies, Professor Ram Meghe, Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, is one of the leading institute in central India, having a prestigious standing of 38 years with NBA and NAC accreditation. It is the only institute in the university to have NIRF ranking. In the academic year 2019-20, 926 students accomplished their graduation with 7 gold medals and 33 rank holders. Total 152 students acquired higher technical proficiency by completing post-graduation, namely in Master of Engineering, Master of Business Administration, and Master of Computer Application. 5 research scholars completed their PhD. All 5 engineering departments have SGBAU recognized research laboratories. 21 students received university color codes in various games, sports, and research events like Avishkar. This year, the institute topped in providing quality placement with 585 offers given to eligible students in top-notch companies like TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, Cognizant, Byju's, Just Dial, etc. The highest package offered this year was 30 lakh and the average package offered was 3.8 lakh. In 2019-20, Institute was successful in fetching a grant of 22 lakh from AICTE under various schemes.
Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's Professor Ram Meghe, College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, was established in the year 2009 and has NAC accreditation grade A. The institute is affiliated to SGBAU in all 5 branches, that is Civil, CSC, IT, Electrical Engineering, and EXTC. The graduating batch of 2016 to 2020 performed excellent during the session 2019-20. In the academic year 2019-20, total 415 students have completed their graduation in Bachelor of Engineering, out of which 15 students stood university toppers. 10 students have completed their post-graduation with excellent performance. The college recorded 98% result in SJBU examination. Out of 200 eligible students, a total of 141 students are placed in 15 companies, including TCS, Tech Mahindra, Doot Communication, IBM, Zensar Technologies, etc. The institute has 3 research laboratories for PhD with 20 scholars. 7 students have been awarded color codes in research competition titled Avishkar, out of which 1 student was awarded at national level with a cash prize of 1.4 lakh. The institute has been awarded consistently 8 times for the Best Magazine Award by SGBAU University in Professional College category.
College of Social Work, Badnera, Amravati. In the year 2019-20, total 42 students graduated in Bachelor of Social Work, 62 students post-graduated in Master of Social Work, and 23 students post-graduated in MA Sociology. Total 4 students of the college secured place in merit list of Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University. 2 students got color code in football and ball badminton. The college have SGBAU recognized research center in the subject social work with 3 research supervisors and 6 research scholars registered for PhD. College is also running a certificate course in human rights of YCMOU, wherein 20 students successfully completed the course. Apart from this, the faculties contributed in university work in terms of reframing of syllabus, fieldwork, practicum in COVID-19.
Barrister Ramrao Deshmukh Arts, Srimati Indiraji Kapadia Commerce, and Nyayamurthy Krishnarao Deshmukh Science College, Badnera. In the academic year 2019-2020, total 120 students have graduated and 50 students have post-graduated with flying colors. Out of which, from humanities faculty, 19 students have graduated in first division and 4 are in distinction. From commerce and management faculty, 39 students have graduated in the first division and 5 are in the distinction in the examination conducted by SGBAU. The college has 4 university-recognized research centers in commerce and management, science, arts and humanities with 15 supervisors. This year, 5 students of this college research center were awarded PhD degree from SGBAU.
Professor Rajabhau Deshmukh, Kala Mahavidyalay, Nandgaon, Khandeshwar. From Professor Rajabhau Deshmukh, Kala Mahavidyalay, Nandgaon, Khandeshwar, 93 students have graduated in 2019. Out of this, 17 are in first with distinction and 68 are in first division. 38 students are post-graduated in 2019. Out of this, 8 students of home economics, 15 students of Marathi, and 15 students of political science. The college runs recognized research center in political science, economics, geography, home economics. There are 7 supervisors and allotted 18 seats to the research center, and 6 research students have registered for PhD. The college has also the study center of YCMOU, Nashik, since 2018-19. The college has organized various co-curricular and extracurricular activities like national conference and seminar through online mode throughout the year. NSS unit has conducted blood donation camp and My Village, My Responsibility activity has been successfully implemented on the context of Corona pandemic.
Indirabai Meghe Mahila Mahavidyalay Amravati. In academic session 2019-20, 51 students have graduated. Out of these, 20 students got distinction and 31 students secured first division in the degree course. The college has recognized research center of home economics in which there are 4 supervisors, 26 allotted seats and 11 students have registered for the PhD. Proposals for the recognition of research center of English and Marathi have been sent. The college is also running BA and MA English degree courses of YCMOU, Nashik, since 2019-20. Along with this, the college has been permitted to run MA Home Economics and MA Marathi by SGBAU Amravati University in 2020-21.
Mahila Arts and Commerce College, Chandur Railway. In academic year 2019, the college had 45 students graduated and 32 students post-graduated from Marathi and Home Economics. 1 student stood in merit in MA Marathi from Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's Mahila Arts and Commerce College, Chandur Railway, in examination of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. This period of lockdown pandemic tradition of producing merit from our college is continued in this year. Out of the 45 students graduated, 6 are in first with distinction and 39 are in first division. From 2 PG course, 32 post-graduated. Out of this, 6 are in first with distinction and 24 are in first division. The college has university recognized research center in English and Marathi. There are 2 supervisors and allotted 10 seats. 7 research scholars are registered for PhD.
Dental College and Hospital Amravati. In this year, 49 students graduated and 9 students post-graduated with flying colors from Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's Dental College and Hospital Amravati in offline examination conducted by MUHS even in this period of pandemic. College got permission from Dental Council of India to admit 100 BDS students instead of 50. Maharashtra University of Health Science has permitted the institute to start PhD course with 3 students in 3 subjects, each of postodontic, oral surgery, and oral pathology. Institute has organized state-level research conference approved by the university with participation of 654 delegates from all over Maharashtra. College staff is working without break since 23rd March 2020 as per the instruction of the state government as tertiary care for dental treatment for patients of Amravati division. 2 government vaccination centers against COVID-19 virus are running in the college since 25th January to 2021. Out of which 1 center is exclusively managed by the staff of the dental college, and this is the only vaccination center running without interruption in the city. COVID test, RAT, RT-PCR are being done free of cost since April 2021, managed by staff, PG students and interns. All clinical and research work with the state-of-the-art equipment are being eminently carried out in this institute.
Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Borgaon, Meghe, Vartha. Institute feels immensely proud for its accomplishment during the academic session 2019-20. The students of the institute shine at the university exam. One student secured 5th position in the university merit list. The institute recorded 100% result in B.Pharm and 100% in M.Pharm. 99% students passed with first division. IPER in students excelled in national competitive exams of repute as well. 18 students passed GPAT and 15 students cleared NIPER JEE exam. IPER was at front in research and development activities as well. Received fund of rupees 12.3 lakhs under MODROP and rupees 4 lakhs for STTP from the AICTE New Delhi. Organized Maharashtra State Women's Commission sponsored digital literacy workshop for women and AICTE sponsored short-term training program on outcome-based pedagogical methods for effective teaching, learning, and accreditation. 14 articles were published in national and international journals. 1 patent was granted. 3 books and 2 book chapters were published. Funds amounting rupees 1 lakh generated from consultancy. One faculty member, Dr. Shagufta Khan, presented paper in the international conference at Malaysia.
Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera, Amravati. In year 2019, the institute recorded 100% result. Total 52 students completed their diploma with flying colors, out of which 44 students secured first division with distinction. D-Farm second year institute topper in MSBT Summer 2020 examination scored 98.60%. Out of 52 eligible students, 29 opted higher education and the one student is successful entrepreneur. Even in COVID-19 pandemic, students and faculty continued the teaching and learning process with the same zeal and enthusiasm. Institute librarian was awarded with PhD degree by SDBU Amravati. The faculty attended 12 faculty development programs, 5 national and 2 international conferences, and 45 national webinars. 2 faculty received AICTE approved ARPIT certification. There were 5 guest lectures conducted by the institute. Faculty published 11 papers in national and international journals. 5 students presented national e-posters on COVID-19. Institute prepared and supplied hand sanitizers as well. It conducted various surveys related to COVID-19. Institute successfully cleared initial phase of BIRAC AIR PACE project application. Institute received lifetime membership of IST.
Institute of Diploma in Pharmacy, Borgaon, Meghe, Vartha. In this college, 64 diploma students are graduated in 2019-20 in first division with distinction. College record with 100% result. First rank got 99.10% in summer 2020 exam. College conducted 3 faculty development program sponsored by Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, Mumbai. Also conducted 1 Maharashtra State Technical Paper Presentation Competition sponsored by MSBT, Mumbai.
We congratulate and appreciate all the achievers of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society.
I request the Honorable President, Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Dr. Nitinji Dhande, for his presidential address.
My heartiest greetings to my dear students, the future global citizens of this country, dear parents, guardians, teachers, and faculty members, and every other person who is listening to me today on this occasion of commencement ceremony of the batch of 2020, 2020, and 2021. Today is a very special day. This is not only the day which marks the end of our long academic journey at Sant Gadge Baba University, but also the day we can celebrate the end of a very stressful academic year amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. I admire all of you students, the faculty members and staff alike, for your strength and positivity through these very tough days together. I'm happy, proud, and would like to congratulate all the graduate students and their families for their hard work and intensive study and their achievements. At the same time, I regret that we must have this commencement ceremony as a very downscaled version to avoid the infection. This ceremony itself is very symbolic of what all you had to go through during the last 15 months of the pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the lives of people all over the world in many ways, especially relevant to the university graduates and postgraduates. It has made the country borders much tighter than before and has hindered the free movement of people around the world so much. In a sense, the pandemic has put a sudden brake on many activities for international cooperation, international collaboration, and globalization, which our globe needs so much, especially for societal development of many developing economies, where you are the contributors. Once this pandemic is over and the country borders become open, as in the pre-pandemic time, we need to strive for more international cooperation and enterprise to make up for the time we lost during the pandemic. I think and I know you all have a special role to play in the future because of the future and credit of our university, Amravati University, where students from across the states gather interacting with each other, where the congruence of the intellectuals takes place, and where the youth is nurtured to rule the world. It is a place where you students envision global international dreams, large and small, so naturally that the students learn how to cooperate smoothly across cultures. Although the digital communication tools emerged to help connect people during this crisis, like efforts of online education, this pandemic revealed that nothing is more powerful to connect people from different cultures than face-to-face encounters and interaction, which allows people to cross the borders in their minds and foster international cooperation. One of the major contributions of our university, on top of the educating future global leaders, is to nurture cross-cultural communication and foster international cooperation among our students. I only regret that this pandemic prohibited many opportunities. My hope today to all the graduating students is to continue learning and taking credits after your graduation. Learning is a lifelong process. The university education has opened the doors to more potential higher learning and will build you to score high like eagles in the light sky. This pandemic has been an eye-opener. Our country, India, by 2025 will be the only democratic country in the world with a striking youth power. The power and future is you. You can build yourself, the nation, and reign on the top of the world in every field, be it technology, be it medicine, be it agriculture, be it global politics, and also leadership. With changing trends in the global policies and finances, there is so much scope for entrepreneurship. Don't lose hope. Nothing has come to a standstill. You all are strongly equipped to fight every situation and stand tall on the global platform. Be resilient. Don't look at the downside of life. It will pass. Feel the spiritual power of nature. Drive energy from the morning mist, from the bright sunshine, the thin clouds and the showering rains, and feel revived by the getting energy from the nature. I hope many of you agree with me. As such a special place, I only hope that our college, our native place, will remain to be a place where you want to come back after the long shot of flight up in the sky. Might be often in your memory and sometimes in person. You are always welcome, come back. So, with those words of advance welcome, congratulations again to all of you. Life is a series of new horizons, new hopes, new days and changes. As you enter the next chapter of your life, please consider these three things. Make every day count. This is the first advice I give you. Make every day count because you know past is gone, future is yet to come. So every day, which the day you are living today is the most important thing in your life. So live the day, every day. Secondly, I'd advise you to dream. If you dream, then only you can be successful. If you dream, then only you can achieve. So always keep dreaming. The dream should be with eyes open, not closed eyes, okay? And the third, I will always advise you that you should pursue your dreams also and don't wait for the ship to come to you. The ship will never come to you. The train will never come to you. The plane will never come to you. Avenues will never come to you. You have to go to them. So take your boat, row, and go to the boat. Go to the ship, go to the plane, go to the train you want to catch. Okay? And one thing which I always feel is this batch of 2021, I think is the first historical batch to get a degree during close down. It was lockdown always, and online they were studying for that. So let's clap the loudest for the batch of 2021. Let the thundering ovation reach every teacher who adapted, every student who accepted, and every parent who supported. Let's show our appreciation for the teachers who gave up their old methods, their classrooms, their boards. Let's cheer for the 16-year-olds, the students who gave up their freedom, their playgrounds, their classrooms, all within a span of few days, and adopted the online system of learning, where the cheering was virtual, the teaching was virtual, the exams were virtual. Let's give a thundering round of applause. Let it reach every student who smiled in spite of online learning difficulties. Let us clap the loudest for all these people. With this, I end my speech, and my all the very best to you all, and have a nice day. And it was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much.
Honorable Secretary will request the Honorable President to declare the Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society's graduation ceremony closed. After conclusion, all are requested to rise for national anthem.
May I request Honorable President, sir, to declare the concluding of graduation ceremony.
I hereby declare that the graduation ceremony stands concluded.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे आहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We would like to thank all the stakeholders and all the viewers for joining us via live streaming in recognizing the graduate class of 2020. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you very much.